Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Camry number plate light. Start by locating the rear housing and gathering a flathead screwdriver and a replacement bulb. Work on a flat surface with good light and keep small parts organized in a tray. Wear gloves if the bulb is hot and avoid touching the glass of halogen bulbs. Take photos of each step for reassembly and keep the old bulb for reference. Begin by removing any screws or unclipping the lamp housing with steady pressure and a flathead screwdriver. Support the housing as you release clips to prevent it from dropping. Disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing its tab and pulling straight out. Inspect the socket for green or white corrosion and clean it with contact cleaner if needed. Remove the old bulb by twisting or pulling according to style, then compare the new bulb before fitting it. Hey friends, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and give the video a like to keep these tips coming. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair steps and manuals anywhere, and it fits in a glove box better than most paper booklets. It's lightweight, glare-free, and great for on-the-go reference while working on the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it seats firmly and aligns with retention tabs. Reconnect the electrical plug and briefly power the car to test the light functions before closing everything up. If the light does not work, recheck the connector, bulb orientation, and fuse related to exterior lights. Once confirmed working, press the housing back into place, replace screws or clips, and verify the seal against moisture and road grime for lasting performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.